Good morning, it's Linda Emsley from Love Lali, and here we are for Monday morning meditation. I'm trying out a new microphone today, so it would be really neat if someone could give me a thumbs up when they are ready, just to let me know you can hear me okay. Otherwise, I'm just going to proceed on the assumption that my microphone is working perfectly and that sound is being recorded as we go, and that at the end of the day, you all receive benefit from today's meditation because you can actually hear what I'm saying. So let's get ourselves ready, get settled in, just get yourself connected into this beautiful meditation space that we're creating online today. Allow yourself to feel supported, safe and secure in the beautiful meditation space that we've created here online. Get yourself comfortable in your physical environment. We'll be here for about 15 to 20 minutes, so make sure you're seated or lying in a way that can comfortably support you for the next 15 to 20 minutes. So just checking in carefully now with how you're sitting or how you're lying, so that you feel balanced and that your spine is perfectly aligned. And just getting ready now to gently close the eyes, or if you prefer, just lower your gaze and soften your focus as you allow your breath to become a little slower and a little deeper. Letting your breath draw you gently within, to your own sacred space within, that place of quiet stillness. And as your breath draws you in, just feeling yourself settling firmly on the earth, settling easily and comfortably on Mother Earth, so that you are feeling supported by the earth, connected to the earth, a part of the earth. And as you feel your awareness dropping down, settling onto the earth, just becoming aware of that gentle upswell of energy rising back up from Mother Earth, rising back up through your base and into your spine. Feeling it gently shift up through each vertebra, so that you are easily upheld and at the same time connected to Mother Earth and gently upheld by her loving energy. Allow yourself to take a deep cleansing breath, and as you exhale, allowing your awareness to float softly down, coming down to that place that sits midway between the bottom of your sternum and your belly button, coming into the place of your Solar Plexus Chakra, feeling yourself coalesce in this center, in the space that sits above your stomach, between the belly button and the bottom of your sternum. And as you sit in this space, just take notice of how your body feels as your awareness is drawn into the Solar Plexus Chakra. What do you notice in your body? Is your body feeling easy and open? Or is it feeling uncomfortable? Is it feeling tight and restricted, or just really uneasy, just notice what shifting your awareness into this space feels like in your body. The Solar Plexus Chakra is the place of your will. It's the place where you step into your authentic self. It is the place of self-power. This is where you learn about personal power, how to step into that with grace, and how to wield your authentic power easily. It can be a place of discomfort. So we're spending time today with the Solar Plexus Chakra. Allowing yourself to take a deep cleansing breath and using your imagination or sensing or feeling, noticing the space opening out around you, and you find yourself sitting on a plateau, on a mountaintop. And it's a very spacious, wide open plateau. And there's no vegetation around. And the stone that you're standing on is a bone white colour. And the sky above you is endless blue. It's an incredible colour blue. And the contrast between the blue of the sky above and the bone-coloured stone that you're standing on is vivid, stark. As you turn around, you notice there's a plinth or it's like you're being called towards a big stone bench that actually sits in the middle of this plateau. And as you get closer, you see it's formed out of the stone of the plateau. It's this bone white colour. And you find yourself being called towards this. And as you walk towards this stone, this bench made of stone, you notice the sun is now directly above you, shining down out of this brilliant blue cloudless sky. And the sun feels warm on your skin, and it's warm on the stone under your feet. And you feel this warmth radiating through your feet, back up through your body. It's a comfortable heat, not too hot. It's actually a really easy, dry heat. As you stand in front of this stone bed in front of you, you feel yourself tempted to lie down. So do lie down on this stone bed. And notice that even though it's hard, it holds you easily. And you have a sense of comfort and ease lying under the open sky, under the full midday sun, on this stone bench in the middle of this plateau, high up in the mountains, where you are completely alone and completely safe, being nurtured and upheld by the stark elements of this mountaintop. So lying comfortably on this stone bench, feeling the sun warming your skin from the toes all the way up your legs and your torso and your fingertips and arms all the way up to your head. This is an easy warmth, a gentle warmth. You feel nurtured and held by this warmth. And as you lie comfortably, you get a sense of focusing in the light. And so the light is now locking onto the center of your being and becoming concentrated around the area of your solar plexus. Feeling your solar plexus responding to this focused light by becoming aware. And feeling the light locking into the solar plexus. Feeling the light becoming solid, almost liquid, like you could see it pouring down the column that's coming from the sun straight down to your solar plexus. And as this liquid light starts to drip into your solar plexus, you feel that area soften and open, feeling any rigidity or any strictures loosening, so that the area around your diaphragm and your ribs, your upper abdomen and your lungs, feeling soft and easy as you become aware of tensions that you've held in this space, allowing that to just drift away as this beautiful liquid light, lemon yellow straight from the sun, starts to cascade into your solar plexus. And your solar plexus feels soft and open and happy to receive this invigorating and cleansing energy straight from the sun. And you feel this flowing right through to your back body, where it softens any rigidity, any restrictions, where your ribs connect to the spine and to the muscles between the ribs, feeling soft and open. Allowing your solar plexus room to grow and move and open, almost like it can reset itself into a shape that's more suited to your personal needs, to a shape that accommodates your sense of authentic self, to an openness that easily encompasses your sense of personal power and how you wish to move through the world from the center of power. Just allowing that liquid light to rush through the solar plexus chakra, clearing away the last of the restrictions. And as you feel this restriction lift, noticing any darkness lifting up, any negativity in the forms of self-doubt, lack of confidence, any feelings of unworthiness, any ideas that you've forced yourself to follow that aren't actually yours. Some of the framework from your family belief. Feel some of these bits and pieces lifting up and away out of your solar plexus so that it's no longer bound by external expectations, but rather is fluid and open and shaped by your needs and supports your needs and empowers your body to fulfill your purpose in your own unique, special way. And as you notice that grit, that dirt and dust lifting up out of your solar plexus chakra, you also notice any need to overpower, any need to be overbearing to get your way. These forms of restriction are also lifting up and out of your solar plexus. So you feel free and easy from front to back. The diaphragm is soft, the ribs are open, upper abdomen feels soft, and your body feels comfortable and at home, carrying this sense of power and self-worth deep inside you. And as you notice this shift in how your body feels, the liquid light from the sun slowly stops pouring, and you feel the sunlight returning once again to the soft warmth, and that sense of focused light withdraws from your solar plexus, and your body is once more cradled on the warm stone, being gently warmed by the sun. And you lie there just for a couple of minutes, allowing the sensation in your solar plexus to really settle through your body. That new sense of soft openness, of ease and self-understanding is gently flowing through the whole of your system and ebbing out into each cell of your body, right down into the waters of every cell of your body, and into the waters that surround each cell of your body, moving into your bloodstream so it is constantly circulated throughout your body, right down into all the tissues and your bones. This new sense of ease with personal power, the openness of your solar plexus so that it is perfect and in harmony with the whole of your energy system, just right for you, in perfect balance for you right now. And when you feel ready, gently sitting up and move to standing. And just stand there for a minute, just noticing that energy moving through your body and the sensation of that solar plexus now that it's cleansed and clear and made new, perfect for your personal power, for your authentic self, to your true expression. Just let that get comfortable in your standing body so you can move with ease with this sense of openness in your solar plexus. And gently starting to walk back the way you came. Noticing the light growing a little dimmer and the blueness of the sky receding as you walk across the plain, the plateau of open stone, back the way you came. And noticing the space around you becoming smaller. And you are once again within your own solar plexus area, sitting easily within your own body, with your awareness resting in the solar plexus. Just allowing yourself to take a few deep breaths here, really letting that sense of open balance and renewed vigor in your solar plexus get comfortable in the whole of your body. And taking a deep cleansing breath, allow your awareness to return to its normal place, the place where it normally sits, where it feels easy in your body. And just noticing now how your body feels, warm and open, easy and light, so that you're ready to move through your week in connection with your personal power, easily allowing your authentic self to move out into the world. Taking a deep breath, getting ready to come right back, wiggling your toes and your fingers. And when you're ready, gently opening your eyes and coming all the way back. Ready for a purposeful and powerful week. I'm Linda from Love Lali. Thank you so much for joining me for meditation this morning. I look forward to meditating with you again next week. Bye for now.